look at him.
कैमरा दे
मुझा काका आव्या ए मुके मिलिए वे गरव्या रे मुझा काका आव्या मुझा काका आव्या ए मुके मिलिए वे गरव्या रे मुझा काका आव्या मुझा काका आव्या ए मुके मिलिए वे गरव्या रे मुझा काका आव्या.
So hello YouTube, I'm back with another video. So it is around 11 in the morning. So I have a bit of work actually in the city. So I have a bit of work in the city, so I'm headed to the city, and I want to thank you for the support, guys, the support you have been giving me, the support which I have been getting through subscribers and the watch rate. Thank you for the love and support, guys. Just keep supporting me, and I'm gonna face the camera very soon after a number of subscribers. So just guys, keep supporting. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel, and I'll keep you guys posted and updated. So don't forget to follow me on Instagram too. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram too. There you'll be getting the live updates if I go for a ride or when the vlog is gonna come up. So tough. Why is it so tough? What are they trying to do? Pura road for there. I don't know why they are doing it so slow. So guys, now the autumn season has started. क्योंकि गर्मी अब फिर से हो गई है. इट्स नो मोर कोल्ड इन द डेज. शाम को बस थोड़ा ठंडक हो जाती है एंड इट्स बेरेबल. लाइक अब उतना भी नहीं कि जैकेट पहनो, ये है वो है. बट नाउ इट्स नॉर्मल. बट कोरोना का बढ़ रहा है एंड पीपल आर नॉट इवन केयरिंग अबाउट इट. आई एम नॉट अंडरस्टैंडिंग व्हाट हैपनिंग. get him. पूरा flyover ही wrong route पे आ गया. He has crossed the fucking flyover on the wrong route. I don't know what's happening. There's no traffic sense over here. चालान काटे जा रहे हैं guys. सब wrong parking. I don't know why they don't allow. I don't know why they don't allow people here. They don't let people park on this road. I don't know what. Maybe they are not allowed to park or something. मगर सबके चालान कट रहा है. ये That too, the guy on the bike is a crime. He works in the crime, but he is driving a traffic. I don't know what's happening. As you can see, guys, the beggar was like थोड़ा पीछे जाओ नहीं तो चालान कट जाएगा. I mean, he knows it better than us, guys. Guys, I took a detour and I'm inside Voltaire Club. So this is one of the best clubs of vizag. You have the gym area straight ahead, gym, pool area, and this is the food court. The banquet halls, you have a ground with a volleyball basketball. This is the march. So it has around 3 banquet halls, I believe, and a ground, very huge ground, and many volleyball, shuttle, all sports to be played, including the gym. కెమెరా అది యూట్యూబ్ లో వస్తుంది.
ఇప్పుడు బెండి ఏమైనా చేస్తుందా? బెండి ఏమైనా వాళ్ళని తీసుకెళ్ళిపోతుందా?
లేదు లేదు, రోడ్ కనిపిస్తుంది, నెట్ లో పెడతాను. అది నీ పేరేంటి? బాయ్ బాయ్. The kid had a very good gesture. He was like, he praised the bike, उसको bike अच्छी लगी, and he was like, ये क्या लगा है सामने? So I was like, it's a camera. So then he was like, कैमरा क्या करता है? गाड़ी प्रोटेक्ट करता है. So I was like, नहीं पता करता है. So I was explaining him, guys. His name was Dhanush. It was nice meeting Dhanush. I'm going through the colony because वहाँ पे they have dug up the road, as you have seen in the video earlier. So I don't want to get my bike dirty and slimy with mud. So I'm gonna take the colony road back home. So guys, that's it for today's vlog. So this is Fasting signing off, and if you're still seeing the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel and to the video also, and comment down guys saying my dog gets well and he gets alright, and you find the proper equipment here in Visakhapatnam. So guys, that's it. I'll be back with another vlog very soon. Bye bye. Thank you.